Elsa!
Happy Friendship Day!
Happy Friendship Day!
Wow, that's such a lovely photo frame, and that's you and me in the picture. I love it.
Thank you. And oh, that's a beautiful, lovely heart.
Yeah, Kashvi taught me how to make it.
Oh, she also taught me.
Wow, then let's go to her and learn it from her again. Hi Kashvi.
Hi Elsa. Hi Goldie.
We have come to learn how to make this beautiful photo frame and heart from you.
Oh, that's so simple. I can teach you.
Okay, then let's sit down, Goldie, and learn from her.
So friends, do you also want to learn how to make these Friendship Day gifts? Well, this is a photo frame. If you don't have a photo, you can draw one, like Goldie has done. So let's learn how to make this. So let's get our papers. The first step that we have to do is fold the paper into half, an exact half, and give the crease. Now fold it into one more half, like this. It will become a small square paper. Nice, give it tight creases and unfold it. Now bring the bottom two lines, the bottom two squares, and give creases. Now let's do the same for the other two as well. And now flip it over and do the same. Like one edge this side, one edge this side, one edge this side, and the last one 4. Now again flip the model over. Here there are 4 boxes like this. Open each one like this till the end. And your photo frame is ready. Wasn't it simple? You can make it stand by the flaps. Now let's put a picture inside it. One edge this side. Actually, we'll do it this way. Wasn't it so simple?
Oh, that was so easy and quick, Kashvi. Thank you so much for teaching it.
This is a cute heart which you can give to your friends on Friendship Day. There is a pull-out message too. Love you. So let's learn how to make this one as well. Get your papers. So For this, fold the paper into half. Give a tight crease and reopen it. Now give one. Now fold it like this and reopen it. To the bottom, fold up the bottom two corners. Now flip the model. Now bring this to the center centering line. And like this you will fold it into half. It will look like this. Take this open edge and fold it inwards like this. And same with the other side. Now fold it like this. Corners. To make it stand, you will have to fold it like this and like this and fold this backwards. Make a nice crease. Now let's see how to make a heart stand. Just pull this flap a little and rest the heart on the flap. Like this. Wasn't that easy? And to make the pull out message, you can cut out a triangle and put it here and write the message inside. I've cut this strip of paper which will go inside the heart. So now let's write the message. Love you. Love you. Now let's insert this. Let me also make some two faces over here. Eyes, the mouth, the face, and the hair. Let's follow the same steps. The eyes, the mouth, the face, the hair. How beautiful they are looking. Let's also make kind of necks. Like this. And color this. And pull out. Love you. I hope you liked how to make the Friendship Day gift, which can be made in 5 minutes. Friends, you can use printed paper or plain paper and decorate it. So friends, if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more notifications. Give your friends these lovely Friendship Day gifts and they'll be surprised and so happy. Bye, see you soon. Happy Friendship Day.